In this video, I'll show you what to do if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo after the iOS 18.4 update. So guys, the first solution is to force reboot your iPhone. To do so, you have to use 3 buttons. First, volume up, then volume down, and last, power, also called the side or lock button. First, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and lastly, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. So, let's start. I press and quickly release the volume up and down, and in the last press and hold on the power key, I hold it until my screen shows the Apple logo. So, this was the hard reboot process. After this, wait until your phone starts with the lock screen. Then, move on after entering the lock screen passcode. If this method doesn't work for you, you'll have to connect your phone to a Mac computer or Windows PC and update it to the latest iOS. You can get this complete guide in the above video link and in the description below. If neither trick works for you, please contact Apple support and ask them about your issue. After the iOS 18.4 update, your phone is stuck on the Apple logo. You guys, thanks for watching.